My name is Mr. Chris. Today I'll be taking you on geography. Now, the topic that we're going to look at in geography is map work or map reading. Now, in that map work, the section that we're going to look at is map reduction and map enlargement. Now, our specific objective is that at the end of this lesson, the student should be able to 1. Explain the following concepts, which is map reading, conventional sign, map reduction, and map enlargement. While the second objective is that at the end, that students should be able to understand the steps or procedures for solving map reduction and map enlargement. Now, what is map? Map can be defined as the representation of the earth as it is seen from above. The underlying word there is representation. It also means that map can be representation of a village, representation of a local government, a state, if it's a map of a particular state like Anambra State, Imo, Ebonyi, and so on and so forth. Or map can be also be representation of Nigeria, which is map of Nigeria, continent, or the earth. So the earth, which have already covered the world here. Now we have types of map. One is road map, atlas map, weather map or chart map, sheet map, or topographical map. Which one is road map? Road map is a type of map that the travelers or motorists use in European countries to know the direction of their movement and distance to be covered. Now, atlas map is a type of map that we call, in fact, it is a book of map. Why do we call it a book of map? Because it is a type of map where we refer to it for information. Everything in atlas map is what documented. Look at it now, this is atlas. So we call it atlas map, map medium. Now, we have another one called weather map or chart map. Chart map or weather map is used by ship captains or the pilots. What are they using it for? To know the weather condition of where they are going. That is why before a pilot flies, the pilot must study that weather map with the signs and symbols in it. Final one is sheet map or topographical map. This type of map is the one they will give in the exam. Why do we call it topographical map? Because this type of map is a type of map that appears in a plain form. Now, this map is a map produced by the survey department. They have the same similarity with plan, building plan. But the difference is that in building plan, it has a larger scale than this. And it depends on the specific objective. Like topographical map contains a map of a village, towns, while plan contains an individual building, school, etc. Now, what is map reading? It refers to as ability to recognize conventional signs or symbols and interpret it. What is this conventional sign? That's the key word. Conventional signs, they are natural and man-made features on a map. Every map shows this conventional sign. It is the conventional sign that will enable you to read and understand the map. Take for instance, this is the topographical map, map of Samoba district. Now, under here we have conventional signs there. Now, when you are asked to find river on a map, you come to the conventional sign and look for a sign for river. Then with this now, you can be able to say that, oh, river is inside this map. Now look at this one, road. If someone asks you now to find road inside this map, you come here and see the minor road, the sign here. Now this is road in this map. Now settlements, building. Look at it here, look at the sign. This is settlement and building. So all these things are conventional signs. The section that we have now is map reduction, which is, it means to reduce or produce a new map smaller than the original size. So if they ask you to reduce this map, it means you are going to reduce the size of this map smaller than this map. The same thing, map enlargement means to enlarge or to produce a new map larger than the original map. So map reduction means to reduce, to get it smaller, while enlargement means to make it bigger. Now, the final step, which is our specific objective number 2, is to know and also understand the procedures or steps for map reduction and map enlargement. Now, this one is for map reduction, this one is for map enlargement. Then now they have the same similarities but one or two differences which I will point out on the board. Now, if examiner asks you to reproduce a map by half. Are you with me?
You continue.
If examiner asks you to reproduce a map by half, now the first thing you're going to do is this. In any equation, you must see to reduce a map by half. Once you see to reduce a map by half, it is map reduction. But at times, the examiner will now remove the word reduce and say half. Now, the first thing you're going to do is that one, note the scale of the map. So in this map, start to look for the scale in representative fraction, which is a scale that appears in ratio. Look at it here, 1:50,000. So you now come here and say the old scale is 1:50,000. And what the examiner asks you is that you should reproduce the map by half. Take note, that's the key word. By half. So by half now should be times 1/2. So multiply 2 by 50,000 gives you 100,000. So your new scale now will be 1:100,000 or 1/100,000. Now step 3 is you take your ruler and measure the length and the width of this old map. You measure from here to here, from here to here. Now you multiply it by the number of times you are asked to do that. Now you now use your pencil to draw the new length and the new width. But for the sake of time, all these things are the steps you are going to use, the guideline for map reduction and map enlargement. But next time, our next class, we are going to enter in calculation of all this. We get a map and work on it under this map reduction and map enlargement. So study all these things. Like everything inside here is same here. I said divide the old scale by number of times requested, the same. So they have the same similarities here. Now where they now have differences is step number 5, which you now says divide the original map into small square of equal size. We call this thing grade reference. So next time when we are working on this one, if it is map reduction, you use 2 in the old map, while 1 in the new map. Then map enlargement, you use 1 in the new map, the old map, while 2 in the new map. So for the sake of time, next class we are going to enter into a practical work of this map reduction and map enlargement. I thank you for giving me your time, and I urge you to stay safe.